Hello boys and girls, day 157. Feel great, tremendous, strong, pumped, looking forward to the exercises. Nothing else to add, and I'm really happy that I switched up the routine. We were so stubbornly persistent on the previous one that it was actually hurting me. Let's do the workout. And we're finished for the day. Tomorrow we'll change the way that the workout is structured, like I will move the exercises around, because I cannot do all the planks one by one to 100% that I would like to. Same with push-ups, same with the core. I structured it so that it's right now push-ups, it's obvious, right? Push-ups, plank and core specifically, and I'm just gonna change the order because it's hard to complete, and yet I do not feel that I have worked out as good as yesterday, for example, because I think the body is getting used to the particular exercises that I'm doing, so I'm not hurting anymore right now, but I still can't do them as well as I would like to, you know, have to change a bit. Trained yesterday, trained today, we'll train tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye!